Hey, I'm Jason Creel. Let's talk about injuries sustained while mowing grass or working on lawn mowers or, lawn business injuries. I'll tell you the little bit of injuries I've had, and I'd like for you to leave a comment and tell me what injuries you've had, because, hey, let's face it, it's a little bit dangerous. I mean, typically people get hurt when they're being careless. That's been the case with me, but anyway, as far as my injuries go, honestly, about the worst thing that's happened to me is, this was 2 or 3 years ago. I had a walker mower, and we're bagging somebody's lawn, and I think it started sprinkling rain or something, and so my walker mower is starting to clog. The chute is clogging up with the wet grass. I think the grass is real thick. And I'm in a hurry because we're trying to get this yard done before the rain picks up, and so my walker had a problem with it where the blower fan, which creates the suction to suck the grass up into the hopper in the back, I think it's called a brake or something, but the brake was messed up. So basically when you disengage the blades, that blower fan would keep spinning until, it'd probably take it 30, 45 seconds to stop spinning. Where typically when you disengage the blades, it should stop within just a couple of seconds if the brake was working. So, and I knew that was a problem. I mean, I knew that, and I just didn't fix it. So, and I just wasn't thinking. And so basically it's wet, I'm in a hurry, the chute keeps getting clogged up. What I do, I disengage the blades. The chutes, I can, you kind of recognize the noise on a walker mower, and I can sort of hear when it's clogged and when it's working right. So I hear, okay, the chute's clogged up. Shut the blades off, jump off, flip up the hopper, reach my hand in there to pull out the grass, and the fan blade was still spinning. Now, it's not the lawnmower blade, so I didn't lose my hand, but basically it split my middle finger open pretty bad, and so I'm bleeding everywhere. I think, well, I probably cut my finger off, and we're at somebody's house. I'm bleeding all over their driveway, and I started getting lightheaded. I don't know what the deal is, but it's just from losing blood, or maybe the pain or whatever. But I ended up passing out, which I had my crew there with me, so it wasn't terrible, but I passed out on the customer's front porch, which, never a good thing. But I was only out for a few seconds, and I came to and went to a friend of mine who's a doctor's house, and he took me to the ER and, got it stitched up. So they had to clean out all the grass and everything that was in my finger. So, and, basically I don't have a whole lot of feeling in that finger toward the end anymore, but I'm fortunate to still have that finger. So that's probably the worst thing that's ever happened to me. I mean, I've hit myself with the hedge trimmers before in the leg, and that'll gas you up pretty decent, but I've seen people lose fingers. Guys get their finger hung in a belt or something and lose, just gone, it's over with. So nothing too major, but anyway, leave a comment, tell me how you've been hurt. Were you being stupid, careless when it happened, or things happen, but be careful. And anyway, I'd enjoy reading the comments on what happened to you. Thanks.